Hey guys, JB at Hannah RV here with y'all today. Celebrating 250 years of freedom in America. We're in the 3900 HBLR today. Come take a tour with me. First of all, I'd like to show you this expanded storage behind the TV. Very useful. Got your fireplace underneath here. Big L-shaped sofa. Plenty of counter space and drawers at the back. Got your lovely solid surface countertops, seating instead of a dinette. Got your oversized range, oven, microwave, full-size fridge. Over there you got a built-in desk. One of my favorite features because I love to cook. You got the pantry room for all your canned goods, spices, and everything you need. Come with me, one of my other favorite features. Right in here, you've got not only a laundry room with a half bath, that way people don't got to go through your bedroom to get to the restroom when you got visitors. Upstairs we got a spacious master suite, king bed, ample space in the bathroom here, dual vanity, walk-in closet, and a full-size shower. Alright guys, so that's the 2026 Sandpiper 3900 HBLR. Don't forget to come see your boy JB at Hannah RV and celebrate 250 years of freedom in America.